Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today buy 2.55 plus GB mockup bundle pack. Here I have mixed mockup. For example, cargo vehicle truck and matchbox mockup, vitamin packaging mockup, and here I have mixed mockup like bottle, cup, cargo truck and capsule, cars, banner etc. For example, I open anyone. Here you see many layer in layer area. You can edit any of this layer according to you. I know you know how to customize or edit this template, but for example I show you. If you want to replace your logo or text here, just double click on it. Now you see a new document appear here. Delete this one and all this. Now insert new layer, then press Ctrl O to open an image that you want to replace. For example, I open this one with the help of move tool. Move it and then press Ctrl T to adjust. Press enter and then press Ctrl S to save. Now you see our image or text replace here. Same like it, you can edit any of this mockup. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.